Tell me your name.
My name is Faith David. My school name is Mount Zion Cooking and Nursery.
So what makes you not to go to school today?
Because of the coronavirus.
Okay, what did they say you should do?
They say let's wash our hand properly. If we see anybody sneezing, let's close our nose. Or coughing. We should avoid staying where people are too much. And we should wash our hand properly with running water.
So, do you have the running water?
No.
How do you get water?
If by natural source. By natural resource.
Okay. And this water good for you?
No.
Okay. So how are you going to get water to wash your hands now?
By tap. If they bring pump water, we can fetch and wash our hands, or we can buy water. Pure.
Do you have money to buy?
Yes.
Okay. Who will give you money?
Our parents.
Thank you.